Hey everybody, it's Brooke in the kitchen making Brookie's cookies for Cookiepalooza 2020. As you can tell here, I'm doing my own interpretation of icing the sugar cookies, and I don't have any sophisticated devices to help me. I just kind of do it by hand. I have now iced one of my typical cookies. Very simple icing. I use confectioner's sugar, almond extract, a little bit of milk, a little bit of water, and light corn syrup because it gives it a nice sheen. Decoration is really up to you. It's very personal. I have some green sprinkles here and I want to make this look a little bit like a holly leaf, so I'm kind of just winging it, and you can tell I'm using this extremely sophisticated folded piece of paper, which means that whatever happens, happens, and sometimes it's kind of precise and usually it's not at all. Don't be afraid of putting a little bit on these because it still looks cool in the end. And then I use my tweezers here where I am just simply creating a little hollyberry effect. There's the main one. And then I have a little one here. You see how well tweezers work? They're not just for beauty care, I say. And of course the third one's running away from me. Uh-oh. Yeah. All right, sometimes you can just do it with your hand, but always make sure your hands are clean. I'm very serious about that, people. And then I just use a couple little green sprinkles to look like those leaves. And I'm just about done here. Make it look authentic. And there's your cookie. Voila. Isn't it pretty? Happy holidays. See you later. Bye.